For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Getting old is not avoidable, but staying healthy as one ages is possible till a certain extent. To avoid age-related health issues, one must stay fit and take the required precautionary measures. Arthritis is an umbrella term for inflammation of the joints. In common language, it is a wear and tear of joints when overused. The damaged cartilage makes movement painful. Eating fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce inflammation in the body. Obesity is a significant contributor to arthritis progression. Keep active and monitor your diet to keep your weight within the recommended limits. Alzheimer's disease occurs as a result of damaged neurons in the brain. In time, these neurons affect memory, mood, behavior, and physical functioning. Involve physical activities into your daily lifestyle. Staying active can increase blood flow to the brain and thus assisting in brain functioning. Challenge your brain by staying intellectually active, involving yourself in social clubs, taking up hobbies, and reading can help in mental stimulation. A Mediterranean diet can also help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Have lots of fruits and salads and avoid red meats. The risk of diabetes increases with age. Thus, it is a very common sickness among seniors. Diabetes indicates that the blood glucose levels are too high. The food that one eats affects the glucose level in the body. Limit your intake of sugar, trans fats, white bread, pasta, rice, and sugar-sweetened beverages. Stay active and stay fit. Add walking or other forms of simple daily exercises to your routine. Besides maintaining your sugar level, exercise will also help you maintain your weight. Other lifestyle habits involve oral care, caring for your feet and skin, and avoid smoking. More than 1/3 of cancer occur in people over the age of 75. Some common cancers in seniors are prostate cancer, bladder cancer, pancreatic cancer, and lung cancer. One of the most common cancer prevention tips is to avoid tobacco in all forms. Eat a well-balanced diet and avoid processed foods. Regular exercise and limiting the intake of alcohol is also recommended. Avoid the exposure to industrial and environmental toxins and stay clear of pollutants.